Hey, you family, it's your girl Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse. I'm popping in real quick to share this little Outre color bomb unit, y'all. And I finally played with my little Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm posing for my little uh thumbnail, okay? But yeah, I used the blue finally in here to match this little unit, y'all. And yeah. I'm just bringing her on in here to you and popped her on. If y'all want to see the specs, the ins and outs, see these little baby hairs. They just keep curling up right up in here because I didn't lay them down right. But yeah, if y'all want to see the specs, the ins and outs of little Miss Jhalay in OM Indigo Dip Blue, y'all just keep on watching. And I even went so far as to put in a quick, I'm probably going to just speed through it because I wasn't really talking. I was just doing this makeup. I'm getting ready to go to work. I'm going to have to wear this blue to work, y'all. My scrub's blue, so hopefully all of it will fit in. But I want to do this video today. All right, I hope y'all enjoy. Oh, yeah, and I did use this Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1. 4-in-1 Selfie Foundation and Primer because it's good. Last night, I used it yesterday, which y'all probably want to see these videos back to back. And it lasted really good, so I used it again. And if you didn't know, I did say in the other video, I didn't purchase these. These were sent to me via Outre and Pure. Okay, y'all, here comes the video. Here's what the unit looks like in the box. How she came packaged. Outre Color Bomb Miss Jhalay. Look at that color though. Synthetic unit. She's in an OM Indigo Dip. That is pretty. I like the dark roots on this unit. So, let's see what we're working with, y'all. Let me get this cut off, the hang tag. And here go the scissors. See what she looking like. Okay, she's apart. That's what the inside of the cap looks like. You have 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back. All right, them black roots though. That's what makes her everything. She is definitely wearable. Let me cut this lace off, y'all, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I got the lace all off. It's a really brown lace. It's not too light. It's just really brown. I think it'll go good. I'm going to pop my little stocking cap on. See what we're working with, y'all. See what we're working with. Face is done, guys. I know you're wondering what lipstick I used. I used this Becca Burgundy. That's the color I put on. Real light. I like units that are light, not too heavy. She do have 2 adjustable straps too back there. So let's see. Okay, she's a little small. She's a little small. If you got a lot of hair, you might find a little struggle. Or if you got a head bigger than mine, I got a big head. She fits really, really snug. And I don't have a lot of hair. So if you're thinking about getting this, you know you got a lot of hair under there. You're going to have to braid that stuff just flat. Oh, girl. I think I took me 20 years back with this hair. Let me get me some powder and powder this part so it can look a little bit more vibrant. Yes, you're a little bit tight. A little bit tight. I like this color. Again, I ain't gonna have to say this, y'all. I know not to wear this. Go out the door and rock this to no job. Now, clubbing or special events only. And if you're my age or older, extremely special events, okay, because you know, us 32-year-olds, we don't need to be wearing no hair like that. What? Okay, that was funny. That was funny. She got some little baby hairs, but I don't see no really point or need in them. Yeah, that little spray works on everything. It just calmed all those little flyaways down. Not much work for this. But again, them black unit, right? I mean, them black roots is everything for her. Everything. You can put some concealer in there. It won't look as plotchy as my powder. But I like using powder. And I wanted this blue eyes to match. Okay. Okay, I cut a little bit of lays too deep. That's where y'all see this hair coming from. I cut a little bit too deep. Before that, there was no hair shedding, so that's my fault, to be honest. Get this hair slicked down a little bit more in the back. I'm not fooling with them baby hairs. I'm just gonna rock her like that. Oh, where's the tag? Let me make me a, here it is. Here she go. Okay. All right, y'all, let me turn around so y'all can see the back. Yeah, it's that kind of hair that kind of sticks in your face. But other than that, she cute. She cute. Let me turn around. Yeah, I don't need these little baby hairs up there. Indigo blue. Okay, that's cute. Probably would be more me 20 years earlier, but if I want to snatch me 20 years, she will definitely give me that. My chair was sinking, y'all. Okay, that's the end of this quick wig review, and I will see you guys in the next video. Say bless, y'all. Bye.